Hey there, it's Amber from youneedanamber.com, and I am so glad that you are here today. Here on this channel, my goal is to help you make your business better, and I do that through productivity, workflow, processes, and tech tutorials. And today is no different. Today, we are going into the back end of my Asana because I want to show you how to update your settings so that your Asana is a little more personal and a little more fun to use. I'm going to show you how to update your profile picture, change a couple of settings, and have a little extra fun with the Asana features. So let's get into it. So here we are in the back end of my Asana, and as you can see, it says, "Good afternoon, you need an Amber." Well, I want this to be a little more personal for myself so that I want to be in the platform, right? The platform doesn't do any good if you aren't in it. The whole point of the software like Asana is that you use it and you use it well. So let's customize this to make it a little better. I'm going to go up here to the top right-hand corner where it says Yo. That's just my purple profile picture that Asana gave to me. I'm going to click on that profile picture, come down and click my settings. From here, this is where I'm going to start making things a little more personal for myself. So Asana brings me to my settings and directly to the profile. The first thing I'm going to do is upload a new picture. So I'm going to click upload a picture, and I'm going to come into some headshots, find a headshot that I like and click open. And then Asana will go ahead and upload that new picture. I'm going to change the email address that I auto-populated to my name, change my pronouns, I'm going to add in my role. This is like your job title or the area in which you work. So I'm going to put operations lady. I'm going to leave the department. Well, I could put in operations as my department. My email address is already auto-populated, and I'm just going to add a little something for me to show people a little bit about who I am. So if someone new is on the team, they can just click on my profile and find out a little bit about me. So I live in Kansas City on a hobby farm with more tomatoes to feed a small army. I'm around from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and I don't work on Fridays. Then I'm going to click save. So as you can see, the couple things that already updated are my profile picture and my name. But I want to make it a little more special just for me. So I'm going to come up here to my profile picture, which has now been updated, come back down to my settings, and continue going through this a little more. So here on the notifications tab, this is where you can change your schedule so that you're not getting any Asana notifications. You can change how often you're getting emailed, if you want any desktop notifications to come through, etc. Mail forwarding. This is not something that I have ever used in the past, but if you ever wanted to do some email forwarding, you can. Under the account tab, I don't really do anything here. This is where you would change your password if you needed to. What I really like about the display tab is you can change the first day of the week. I know a lot of people want Monday to be the first day of the week, so this is where you would change that. But I really like this advanced option here, show task row numbers. This helps me know where everything is and not get lost in just a sea of tasks. So I always make sure that this is checked. And the last one, show occasional celebrations. Yes, please. Under the apps tab, this is where you can add any apps that you use. You can integrate that with Asana. And then under hacks, I always like to add a little extra delight, which means some celebrations will be applied. So I'm going to click this reload to apply changes button, and everything should be added as I asked Asana to do. The final thing I want to do is customize what this looks like. So I'm going to click this customize button here on the right-hand side, and I am going to just play around a little bit with the background color. What does this blue look like? Oh no, that's too much for me. I don't love the purple. Okay, I like this teal. Okay, I'm gonna add this teal. And then there's some other widgets that you can drag and drop. So this private notepad, I can just drag and drop over here, and then I can write down any notes that I want to give to myself. Like, have a great day, Amber. Okay, excellent. I'm going to go back to the customize. And then if you want any tasks to come in, you would just drag that over. I'm going to click this arrow to get it out of the way, and then you'll be able to see some other tasks here. So you can move this around. See, when I drag over it, this little hand kind of looks like a claw comes up because you can just move things around as you want, which whoa. Okay, whoa, calm down. But yeah, I do like how this looks. And then if you don't want this tasks I've assigned, you can remove it and then things will go back to the way they were. So this looks really good to me. I love the background color. It greets me. My profile picture is updated. I love it. I hope that was a helpful tutorial to see the back end of Asana to make some changes, make some updates that make it really fun for you to be in and make you want to use the program and click around and see all of the fun things that'll happen. I hope that you go in and change your settings to make it a little more personal and reflective of your real personality. Thank you so much for stopping by the YouTube channel today. Would you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button? That would be the best. And then you'll be able to find my next video when it comes out, which is, in just a couple days. So I'll see you then. Bye.